Welcome to 1429 Tijan Court, where Trophy Custom Homes has redefined what luxury means in 2024. You know what the best part of being a luxury real estate agent is? The wow factor never ends. Welcome to another day in the life of a luxury real estate agent working with the most successful brand in the world, Sirhan. And today we're breaking the internet. (9,100 square feet of pure genius in Reunion Resort, where every corner tells a story of success. Let me show you what happens when entertainment meets sophistication. Imagine hosting dinner parties for 15 in your chef's dream kitchen. 2 marble islands, because one is never enough. But here's where it gets interesting. Upstairs, Las Vegas dreams comes true. A backlit marble bar that screams exclusivity. Professional poker tables for those high-stake nights. Seven flat screens, because options matter. And yes, your own private karaoke stage. And for those who never lost their inner child, Star Wars and Mario Bros. Theme bedrooms. Welcome to your personal arcade paradise. With their own hidden pathways. Missing the movies? Your own private movie theater awaits. Gaming enthusiasts, welcome to your own private arcade. Step outside where your personal resort awaits. Infinity pool and sunken bar for those sunset cocktails, summer kitchen, and multiple TVs because the show must go on. Location, perfection. Minutes from Disney World, 3 signature golf courses, 5-acre water park, tennis, pickleballs, fitness, it's all here. Built in 2023, this isn't just new, it's next level. This isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle statement. This isn't just an investment, it's your legacy. I'm Julimar with Sirhan, and this is where luxury finds home. Ready to experience this masterpiece in person? Ready to make your next power move in real estate? Slide into my DMs or call me at 407-565-7904 because luxury can wait and neither should you.